Even before the learned jurists of the Supreme Court, the PDP Ondo governorship case has been acknowledged as messy and multifaceted. For instance, what emerged from the Court of Appeal as a ruling turned out in the Supreme Court as 14 different appeals, all of which must be determined before Saturday's election. It therefore came as a relief when counsel to the Sheriff faction of the PDP, Kevin Nwofo, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, applied to withdraw 10 of them, since, in his words, the application for stay of proceedings had been overtaken by the Court of Appeal's own stay. With that, the Supreme Court panel of 5 justices, led by the Acting Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Walter Onogen, ordered the Court of Appeal to forthwith continue its hearing and determination of the Eyitayo Jegede's appeal. But in the remaining appeals, Kevin Nwofo had joined 3 justices of the Court of Appeal in his motion seeking a reprimand for them, hearing an appeal when a notice of appeal had been put before them on the case in the Supreme Court. Instead, it was the learned silk that got the Supreme Court's reprimand, being told to pay each of the justices 1 million naira for not realizing that the justices had immunity not to be joined in matters where they were performing their constitutional duties.
And Supreme Court made it clear that it will not encourage anarchy in the system. All of us Nigerians, we owe a duty to defend an institution, not the individuals within the institution. And that institution is the judiciary, is the cornerstone, is the anchor, is the hallmark of our entire existence, of our entire democracy.
That's why they fixed Thursday to hear the main appeal, which is more important than all the motions we are moving. If they hear the main appeal, they will take a final decision.
The next few days are bound to be loaded with rulings from the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court, even when some political parties have called for the shift in the date of the Ondo governorship polls. That is because the courts are not ready to make themselves the scapegoat for anything that happens to this election in Ondo State. From the Supreme Court, Femi Okeowo, NTA News.